The very first YCP event I attended was a happy hour, which was great. It was nice to know that there's a lot of other Catholics in the community in the area. But the one that really impacted me, I went to a St. Joseph's retreat, and the prayerfulness of it, and just hanging out in the church for a while, and then Father said some words to us afterwards, and it was very impactful for me because at the time I had recently discovered that I was going to be a father. So having that connection with St. Joseph and having those things talked about who he was to his family and how, Christ and our Blessed Mother relied on his strength, and just wanting to be more like that, it was just so great to feel that closeness. If you're Catholic and you're wanting to expand your social sphere and you're wanting to expand your business, what better place to accomplish both objectives and be in line with your morals and be around people that feel very similarly to how you do.